Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a nursery business. My name is Mary and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start a nursery business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. A plant nursery raises plants from seeds or saplings to the size desired by most gardeners, landscapers, or larger retail distributors for installation into lawns, backyard gardens, floral borders, and other indoor or outdoor areas. A successful nursery provides a wide range of young plants to customers who buy them individually or in bulk quantities. The nursery's product quality, selection, and size will be determined by the demographics of their location. Often, a nursery's selection is influenced by the owner's business relationships with major landscaping companies. Some nurseries specialize in trees, decorative growing art like bonsai, or water features and associated plant life. Some nurseries also provide garden design, hardscaping supplies, and mulch soil delivery as additional services. Nursery owners face numerous challenges and risks, including, but not limited to, floods, freezes, snow, drought, plant diseases, insects, soil types, rising costs, and an uncertain economy. Nonetheless, there is a lot to think about when starting a plant nursery. Here are just a few highlights. 1. Plant nursery business types. Consider the various types of plant nursery businesses. Retail nurseries, for example, are typically smaller operations that sell primarily to homeowners. Wholesale nurseries are typically larger establishments that sell to landscape contractors, retail outlets, growers, distributors, and municipalities. Some plant nursery businesses may specialize in specific types of plants, such as ornamentals, native plants, or shrubs and trees, whereas others may only accept mail orders. 2. Do your research. Before you spend a lot of money, do your research. Purchase books and magazines. Look around at other places to see how their plant nurseries are set up. Join professional organizations or groups. Work with your local small business center to learn about hiring practices and other aspects of running a small business. Attend seminars, classes, and learn everything you can about the science and art of plant production. 3. Learn the fundamentals of establishing a plant nursery. What will the location of your nursery be? Successful nurseries are usually located in convenient areas where people can stop on their way home from work, which are frequently near urban areas. Make sure there is enough space, a reliable source of water, available labor, and transportation. Take into account potential competition from nearby nurseries. 4. Nursery business requirements. Research the requirements for establishing a plant nursery, such as state or local permits, licenses, or certificates. Consult with a lawyer and a tax accountant. Take into account zoning, labor relations, environmental concerns, inspections, and taxes. Consider your goals, mission, and objectives. Lenders almost always require a business plan. 5. Money. Typically, starting a nursery necessitates a significant capital investment. Do you have enough money to start a business or will you need to borrow money? Are you purchasing an existing business or starting from scratch? Will you need to build any structures, greenhouses, or irrigation systems? Will you have enough cash to last until the business starts making a profit? Because you will need a substantial amount of land, the location will have a significant impact on your startup costs, and an urban site will be significantly more expensive than an existing rural farm. Greenhouses can range in price from $30,000 to $100,000, depending on size, whether or not they are heated, whether or not they require electricity, and how they are plumbed. Your retail storefront will require a minimum investment of $50,000, and your startup plants, soil, and supplies will cost an additional $10,000 to $50,000. Payroll should be included in your initial business plan because it is a labor-intensive startup. Payroll, water, chemicals, and inventory will be your largest ongoing expenses for a plant nursery as your business grows. When scouting locations, you may want to look into the use of private wells as opposed to municipal water supplies to reduce operating costs. Depending on where you live, you may want to target landscapers who maintain elite properties both inside and out for wealthy homeowners. Municipalities will purchase a large number of trees and plants each year. If you're in a suburban area with a lot of foot traffic, you might cater to homeowners who want to grow their own vegetable garden or flowering landscaping. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a nursery business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.